Hello, I'm just going to walk you through a little bit about the Apple Pencil and how you can convert anything you write into text. So, first of all, I'm going to walk you through how Apple has it set up. And if you go into Apple Pencil, right here in the middle of the screen on the left-hand side, here is kind of your Apple Pencil options. We're going to focus on Scribble here near the bottom. I have it turned on, and you'll need it turned on for this to work. And if you go to try and scribble, as you can see, it kind of walks you through how to use Scribble. And so I'm going to walk you through here. There we go, this, and it converts it really well. Let's go over to delete. And as you can see, if you just scribble through something, you can delete it just like that. Let's go to select. So if you draw a line over the stuff, there we go. And circling things selects it. So if let's draw a line through that, we select it. We can draw a circle around a word, and we can select it and do other things with it. Insert is pretty cool. So apparently you tap and hold your pen at that spot. If you tap and hold, then I can insert things here. Oh, and so I can delete that right away. And we can tap and hold again. Insert. There we go. That's really cool. Last is join, so you can just draw lines. So I can draw a line there to combine all this, or I can separate things. Let's erase that. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's how it works. But what apps can you use it in? So I have a few apps loaded up here. So here's Dropbox Paper. It's like a note-taking app. So yeah, I can click in there, and as you'll see in the bottom left corner, there's a little stylus there, a pen with an A. That means that it's on, and it's going to record whatever you're writing and then convert it into text. So you'll notice I just made a mistake there, but it figured it out. That's really good. I have actually really poor writing, so this is actually a really good test of how this works. Now, if I want to go down here, I can go here. I believe if I touch on that, I get more options there. But okay, let's stop there. Let's go into another app. So Evernote. Evernote is an app I use a lot of. So, and I know that there's some instructors that use it. So here we go. I'm just going to try, and I'll tap here right behind paintings, and then I'll go, this is a great tip. See, I'm going crazy here. I don't know if it does cursive. Yeah, it does. Look at that. And my cursive is like 20 years old, so I don't use it very often. Okay, let's move on. What's another app that people use often? Well, probably Microsoft Word. Now, the Microsoft offerings don't work very well. I'm going to say that there's no support for this in a real functional way. So if I try and edit inside there, it's not going to let me. I just can't. But what I can do is actually go in there, and I can make comments. So if I have comments turned on, I can then make a comment over here on the right side. That was terrible. I don't know if it's going to get that. No, it didn't. At comment. So there. Now I can make comments in Microsoft Word. Beyond that, there's no support. So Microsoft OneNote, I tried that. It doesn't work. I tried it in PowerPoint. I tried it in a few other softwares from Microsoft. It doesn't work. I looked it up online. They don't have support for it yet. So yet is the key word. I'm sure that they'll bring support in. And of course, the last one is Notes. Notes is one of the big ones that's going to use this. And this is where you can just make notes. So this function will actually work in any text field. Any text field at all. So in Microsoft Outlook, for instance, I can try and make a new email. I can put in here, and I can just start typing something, and I can message him, and then I can, yeah. And so there you go. One of the other things that I really like is that it works in so many apps. I really like that. So any app that has a field, it will likely work in. There are some apps that it doesn't work in, but that's a quick tip on how to use your Apple Stylus with your iPad to just write, take notes. It's great for meetings. It's great for so many different things. So go out, try it. I'll talk to you later.